Okay guys, so this one's big. In fact, this one's huge. I got an early access package. Let me show this to you. I got an early access package from L'Oreal Paris, and wait for it. The products I have in here, I bet you haven't seen it before because this is a brand new launch. Yes, guys, I've got something that has been very, very recently launched. Like I said, brand new launch. And in a nutshell, like I'll be talking about this, but in a nutshell, if you have oily, greasy scalp like me, this one's a complete game changer. You can stop chasing fresh hair. The endless chase ends here. I'm not kidding, guys. I last shampooed my hair 3 days ago. Can you believe it? And I have oily, greasy scalp. So what I have here with me is the L'Oreal Paris Hyaluron Pure range. Here I have with me the shampoo and the conditioner, perfect for my oily scalp. Oh, and look at all this awesome stuff I got in here. Pretty little things that make me so happy. Yes, it has been keeping me totally sorted. Now, first things first, let's talk about the packaging because it is so chic, so elegant. It just makes for a really nice first impression. And then, of course, let's talk about ingredients. So, for the first time ever, I'm going to be talking about dual ingredients. We have hyaluronic acid for intense hydration, and then we have salicylic acid, of course, for purifying the scalp. So, what exactly does this mean for us as end users? Because of salicylic acid, no more oily, greasy scalp, no more flat hair. The scalp feels fresh, clean. It purifies the scalp beautifully. Salicylic acid is a great BHA. We have actually talked about this ingredient for so many times on this channel. And then of course hyaluronic acid, one of my all-time favorite ingredients for hydration. It is a super ingredient for hydration, so that keeps your hair voluminous, bouncy, healthy, happy looking and gorgeous. Now since there's a brand new launch, I quickly want to show you the texture up close. Here's how the shampoo looks up close, and here's how the texture of the conditioner is up close. Using this is fairly simple, just like your regular routine where you shampoo your hair first and follow it up with the conditioner. So fairly regular routine, except for one huge difference. Here the routine actually works because the products work. The formulations are so good. So generally, and you've heard me talk about this before, right? Every time I shampoo my hair, by next day my hair is again looking oily, greasy. My hair is looking so flat. It is so much of pain to deal with, especially if I go for running or if I go to the gym. Then it's a complete disaster. So I would usually have to shampoo my hair almost every single day. That's a lot, right? But what do you do when your hair is not looking good? However, it's been 3 days. It's just been one use, by the way. This is why I'm so excited, guys. Like, I have tried so many products in the past. This product actually works. And if I show this to you up close, I mean, just look at this before after comparison. This long lasting freshness and being free from having oily scalp for 3 days is something that I could not have imagined. My hair feels refreshed, non sticky, and hydrated for much longer. And I'm so excited at how I'm going to save so much of time in hair care, not to mention professional treatments and whatnot. I don't have to do that anymore because my hair looks gorgeous. Seriously, guys, just go ahead and experience this brand new pair of awesomeness for the hair with L'Oreal Paris Hyaluron Pure. Personally, I would highly, highly recommend these products to anyone. I've already told two of my friends about it, and they're like, okay, let me just go and grab mine. Because oily hair, oily scalp is such a pain to deal with, but not anymore because it's actually quite easy peasy when you have the right formulations. Guys, what I'll do is I'll put the links on the description box below with all the details. In case you have any queries, please share questions in the comment section below. It's a brand new launch, so I'm assuming a lot of you will have questions which I would love to answer. I would love to help you out. And also, while you're checking out the links and asking your queries, please don't be stingy with that like button. Smash that like button. Hit subscribe to this channel if you're not a subscriber to this channel already. Don't forget to turn on the bell icon for notifications and keep coming back to Super Style for more. This is me, Prachi, signing off now. Bye bye.